Bosch Climate 3200i review. Is this the best UK AC all-rounder? 2026 price and specs. When you're looking for a new air conditioner, Bosch is a name that inspires confidence. Known for their reliable boilers, their climate range of air conditioners brings that same German engineering to home cooling. The Bosch Climate 3200i sits right in the middle of their range, promising a perfect balance of features and value. But is it the right choice for your home? Hello, my name is Reese Powell, a qualified F-gas engineer and the Director of Operations for WarmZilla. And I wanted to give you my thoughts on the Bosch Climate 3200i. Please remember, this is just an opinion, but if you disagree, I am happy to discuss my choices in the comments. This review will break down the real-world performance, its key features, how it stacks up against other models, and what it costs, helping you decide if this is the all-rounder you've been looking for. The Bosch Climate 3200i is an excellent all-round air conditioner for most UK homes, offering a great balance of quiet performance, high energy efficiency, and smart features at a competitive price. While not the most powerful model, its reliability makes it a solid investment for bedrooms and living rooms. What is the Bosch Climate 3200i? A quick overview. The Bosch Climate 3200i is a wall-mounted, single-split air conditioning system. That simply means it has one sleek indoor unit that mounts on your wall and one outdoor unit that does the hard work outside. It's designed to provide both cooling in the summer and efficient heating in the winter. How does it perform? Cooling and noise levels. Performance is where the 3200i really shines. Its 2.6 kilowatts, or 9,000 BTU, of cooling power is perfect for standard UK bedrooms or medium-sized living rooms up to around 25 square meters. It provides rapid, consistent cooling without being overpowered. Other outputs available are the 3.5, 5.3, and 7 kilowatt versions, which are suitable for larger areas in your home. However, its standout feature is the noise level. At its lowest setting, the indoor unit operates at just 21 decibels dB. To put that in perspective, a quiet library is around 40 dB and a human whisper is about 20 dB. This means the unit is virtually silent, making it an exceptional choice for light sleepers who want to stay cool without any distracting background noise. What are its key features? The 3200i is packed with the modern features you'd expect from a brand like Bosch. Smart controls and connectivity. The unit comes with Wi-Fi connectivity as standard, allowing you to control it from anywhere using the Bosch HomeCom Easy app on your smartphone. You can set schedules, adjust temperatures, and monitor your energy usage, whether you're on the sofa or on your way home from work. Energy efficiency and running costs. The 3200i boasts an impressive A++ energy efficiency rating. This is thanks to its high SEER rating, which means it uses very little electricity to produce a lot of cooling. Jargon bust. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. It's like miles per gallon for cars. The higher the number, the less it costs to run. This high efficiency means you can run the 3200i throughout the summer without having to worry about a massive electricity bill at the end of the month. Design and build quality. The indoor unit has a clean, modern, and compact design that blends in well with most interiors. As you'd expect from Bosch, the build quality feels solid and reliable, designed to last for years with the proper care.
The Bosch 3200i is clearly a powerhouse for its size, but the real question is what it will cost to get one on your wall. At WarmZilla, we have removed the need for home surveys and long-winded sales calls. You can get a fixed price, no obligation quote for a Worcester Bosch installation in just a few minutes. I have included a link in the description so you can see your price while we look at how this model stacks up against the rest of the Bosch range.
How does the 3200i compare to other Bosch models? One of the most common questions is where the 3200i sits in the Bosch Climate range. Here's a simple breakdown. The Bosch Climate 3200i is a mid-range unit. For a fully installed system from a certified engineer, you can typically expect the all-in cost to be between £1,900 and £2,300. This price includes the indoor unit, the outdoor unit, all materials, and the professional installation. The final verdict: is the Bosch Climate 3200i worth it? The Bosch Climate 3200i hits the sweet spot for most UK homes. It delivers the premium performance and quiet operation you expect from a top-tier brand without the top-tier price tag of the more powerful models. This AC is perfect for you if you want a super quiet, reliable, and efficient unit for a bedroom or living room from one of the UK's most trusted heating and cooling brands. You might want to look elsewhere if you need to cool a very large open-plan space. Consider the more powerful 5000i or 7000i. The go-to choice for most homes. The Bosch Climate 3200i is a fantastic go-to choice. It proves you don't need to buy the most expensive model to get exceptional performance. For a quiet, efficient, and smart air conditioner that will keep you comfortable for years to come, it's one of the best all-rounders on the market today. If you are looking for a whisper, quiet, reliable air conditioner from a brand you can actually trust, the Bosch Climate 3200i is hard to beat. To get your installation booked with our F-Gas qualified engineers, head over to warmzilla.co.uk. You will get a transparent, fixed price and a 5-year warranty for total peace of mind. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more unbiased UK home cooling guides. Thanks for watching.